In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Ads Customer Match. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what each choice means, so you can set up a clean, compliant audience without second-guessing the interface. First, open your Google Ads account and sign in. Make sure you're in the correct account if you manage multiple ones, because audiences are tied to the specific account you're viewing. Once you're in, look toward the top bar for the Tools icon, often shown as a wrench. Click that to open the Tools and Settings menu. From there, choose Audience Manager. This is the central place where your audience segments live, including remarketing lists, segments built from website activity, and the customer match lists we're focusing on. Inside Audience Manager, look for the plus icon to create something new. Click the plus icon, then select Customer List. Customer Match lets you build an audience from your own first-party data so you can reach people who already have a relationship with your business. It's powerful for re-engaging existing customers or tailoring messages to different groups, as long as the data was collected with proper consent and follows Google's policies. Next, enter a segment name. Choose a name that's specific and meaningful, like describing the source or purpose of the list. Good naming makes it easier to keep things organized when you build more lists later. You'll now select the customer type. This helps you categorize the relationship you have with the people on the list, such as current customers, past purchasers, or leads. Pick the option that best matches how the contacts originally engaged with your business. Clear categorization helps with reporting and internal consistency. Then choose the data type. This tells Google what kind of identifiers your list contains, such as email addresses or phone numbers. Using a consistent data type that matches your list ensures accurate processing. Always follow privacy, best practices, and only use data you're permitted to use for advertising. If you're preparing data elsewhere, make sure it aligns with Google's formatting guidance so it can be processed correctly. When everything looks right, click. Save to finalize your customer match segment and confirm its type. After saving, Google will process the list, and you may see a short delay before it's eligible. Keep an eye on the status in Audience Manager to confirm it's ready. Once processed, your customer match segment will be available to include in your targeting or exclusions across compatible Google Ads campaigns, giving you a privacy-safe way to reconnect with the audiences that matter most.